Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this ice therapy machine, so this should be interesting to get going here. We'll try to figure this out together and get it connected and going. Sorry, I have a bad wrist, so things are a little slow with me today. But let's go ahead and figure this out. Sorry that noise in the background, that's my dog going crazy. But it comes with a power outlet. It looks like this is going to be the pump to pump the liquids through. And this will be our holding field for our ice. Cool. And then this will be to go around our leg or arm or wherever it is we need our ice therapy. So let's see how this is going to work. Should be pretty straightforward. I don't know. Let's just open this up and look. So we have a waterproof little cooler in here. We've got some Velcro holder in there. So I guess that's probably gonna hold the pump, but let's just make sure we're gonna set this up correctly. I don't even think it has the instructions on how to set it up. I guess we're just gonna have to figure this out ourselves. Okay, so this is obviously going to be the connections to it. What is this suction cup to? It's got suction cups here, and this is going to be our ice machine here. And let me figure this all out. I'll be right back. Okay, I did some research and figured out how to make it all work. Okay, so the concept is first, you'll fill up your bucket with some water and some ice. I got a lot of ice in here and water. Then you have this little pump here. Let me just turn this off for a second. It is on. Okay, so you have the pump, and then the pump just goes down into the bottom, and then it's kind of suction cups onto the bottom, so that'll hold itself in place. You have the on-off button, so I can turn on-off. It's on now. And if you look into my bucket here, you see it's kind of dripping out. It's coming out, so it's pumping through the whole knee apparatus and then coming out there. It's going faster now because I'm holding it up. It was kind of kinked in it before. But okay, so then everything now is being pumped through this long pipe, through this here. And so this now is crazy cold. It's like ice cold. So this you can put on your knee, on your arm, on your shoulder, whatever you want. If I wanted to put, wow, that is so cold. Okay, so I guess it's ice cold. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my arm here and we're gonna have a cold arm. Okay, so I'll put this around here so you guys can see it somewhere. There we go. So now I have a ridiculously cold arm, and it's gonna just keep going and flowing because I can feel it's just flowing. The water's just, you can't see it so much. The water's just flowing through the whole thing. So it's flowing through in here, and you see it's just coming through and coming out there. So the water's being sucked in through this all the way through the whole arm and back out there. So now that's why I have a very cold arm. So if you need some cold therapy, this is the way to go. This would be good like on the beach or something. You can put it in there. But this works as a cooler too, so you could just be putting drinks or sodas or something like that. I put in just ice and water because I was just going for the straight therapy. But you could just use it for sodas and everything else. You could even bring it with you. It's pretty small. Ooh, that's so cold. If you needed something cold, this little pad here will keep something really cold. So if you needed to cool something down quickly, you could. Let me try it on my face. Ooh, oh, that feels so good. That does feel good. My neck hurts sometimes. I can put that on my neck. And it's like just never gonna warm up because it'll just keep staying cold because it just keeps flowing the water through it. So it's a great little device. So pretty cool. I like the way it does that. And it's just going, and I guess the water is going into one side on here and back out the other side. Just flowing and flowing and flowing. Let's see what these other options are on here. I don't even know. Oh, I guess it's timers for this thing here. So you set it for a certain time on and off. And then you can flow the other direction. I don't know what that would mean. Oh, it's speed. I don't know why you'd need it to go faster or slower. I mean, I would have it on the slowest speed. When it's on the highest speed, it's just still gonna be for me, it was just so cold. It's gonna be just equally cold. But you get the idea. You could make it go really fast. I guess if you had were super hot, it would keep you so cold. So cool. I like this little concept, and very nice and cold and good. And then you got the little bag there so you can kind of take it with you. So I like it. Thumbs up. Very good.